Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This video I'll be showing you guys how to set two keyboards for worship concert or praise, whatever the service may be. So all you have to do is your down keyboard, which is your main keyboard, is supposed to be on your grand piano, another dual voicing. And the guys dual voicing to use is basically your basic analog pad or your bright bed pad. Yeah, then your up keyboard is supposed to be a solo instrument. So right here now I'm using Oxygen on the synth family. Oxygen. Now this is how it's sounding. So this is how it's supposed to sound. Now we're on the key of C. Now this is how the bass sounds. Let's say you're in a concert, okay, you've got your right voicing and you want to solo. All you have to do is just play the main progression on your left hand. Then, instead of it to solo on your right hand on the down keyboard, you have to solo it up. As easy as that. So let's experiment with something simple, basic pentatonics. Let's say a song is going. Solo my right hand, I just go there, let's go. So it's just simple, something like that. So all you have to do is set your up keyboard as a solo instrument. So both of them don't have to be on grand piano. It has to be different voice entirely. So you can even change it. Let's say there is no guitarist in the service. Okay, you want to play a rock guitar here. All you have to do is look for a rock guitar. Okay, let's look for that. Guitar. Let me use, let's say, blues guitar. I see this now. You can still play your normal progression, which is you guys see this, so something like that. So if you don't want to use guitar, you can use any other effect. But the main thing is this up instrument has to be a solo instrument. While the down note is your main instrument, which is your piano and your pad, or your right bass pad, something like that. So thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe.